Hemorrhoids or piles are enlarged veins in the anal region. It usually causes bleeding during or after defecation. People usually complain of a splash on the pan. They see a splash of bright red blood on the pan during or after their bowel movements and are quite worried with this symptom. But there is not much to worry about it because this grade 1 hemorrhoids can easily be treated. In grade 2 hemorrhoids, people see soft small mass that comes out of the anus during or after defecation, but then it goes in on its own afterwards. In grade 3, this mass has to be pushed in physically, and in grade 4, this just cannot be pushed in physically and stays outside the anus permanently. It is seen that people who are eating lots of low fiber diet are more constipated, and these people have to strain a lot during defecation. This adds extra pressure on these anal veins, and this leads to hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are very common in women who are pregnant and also in people who have to sit or stand for a long time. It is seen that people who lift heavy weights frequently are more prone to piles. If you think you have piles, then it's better you go to a doctor and get your condition diagnosed because these symptoms are also seen in some of the other very severe conditions or diseases. So it is better to go to your doctor and get your condition diagnosed and know whether what you have is in fact hemorrhoids. Hareetaki or myrobalan. It is called as Terminalia chebula. This is its botanical name. It's a common drug. It is easily available as powder in Ayurvedic shops. This herb typically reduces inflammation and acts as a bowel softener. You can take 5 grams of this powder and mix it with warm water. Take this in the morning and at night after food. If you have bleeding piles, then this remedy is really going to help you. All that you require is powder of 10 grams of black sesame seeds. Mix this with 50 grams of sugar. Now you can mix these two in half a cup of goat's milk. Take this mixture in the morning and also at night after food. It curbs the bleeding and also strengthens and tones the blood vessels. Castor oil is a very good laxative. It softens the stools and also lubricates your intestines. Apart from this, it is also a very good detoxifying agent. You can take 5 ml of this oil with warm milk or warm water in the morning on empty stomach. You can increase or decrease the dosage of the oil based on your personal requirement. Our next remedy is Psyllium husk powder. It also goes by the name isabgol sometimes. It's a form of natural fiber that adds bulk to your stools and also regulates bowel movement. It's available in many good flavors. All you need to do is just take 1 tablespoon of this powder and mix it with warm water or normal water and take it at bedtime. It's a very good prebiotic. That is, it helps good bacteria to grow in your gut. Apart from this, it's also a form of very good soluble fiber. That is, this is going to help your heart stay healthy and also helps you to reduce weight. So, what are you waiting for? Just go for it and give it a try. I'm sure you're going to like it. Whole grains are nothing but normal grains that have their outer covering or the bran intact. They are minimally processed and so the nutrition is not lost. And yes, they are fiber rich. You can choose whole wheat, whole rice or brown rice, whole oats and whole barley over the normal refined ones. And yes, you can go for good options or better options like the pastas or the bread which are made of these whole grains. And if you have been using a lot of refined grains in your diet, then try swapping them with the better alternative, that is the whole grains, so that you can reap in their better health benefits. Go for foods that are fiber rich and also rich in antioxidants, proanthocyanidins, and anthocyanidins. These are components that improve the health of your blood vessels. Thereby, they help to cure your current hemorrhoids and also help to prevent future ones. So you can include lots of fruits like apples, bananas, guava, pomegranate, and yes, blueberries, blackberries, cherries are also good for you. Try to add 1 or 2 servings in your diet daily. Yes, veggies like carrots, beetroots, lots of green vegetables are really good for you. You can either take them as fresh salads or you can go for cooking them and having them in a boiled form so that they become very easy for digestion. Apart from having good diet and lots of fiber, it is also important that you keep your body hydrated. So drink lots of water in the day. Drink enough warm water because warm water is what is recommended in Ayurveda. You can also take 1 or 2 glasses of buttermilk daily. You may mix it with a pinch of rock salt and pepper. It not only adds a good flavor to the buttermilk, but it also helps in curing piles. For SITZ bath, you require a tub as shown in the picture. Just fill 10 to 15 centimeter of this tub with warm water. Add some rock salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. Now you can sit inside this bath for 10 to 15 minutes. When you're done with it, just get out of it and pat the area dry. This therapy, it really helps to cure pain as well as inflammation that is caused due to piles. It is also used in other cases like fissure in ano, prostatomegaly, or swollen prostate in men, uterine cramps in female. It is also very useful to reduce the pain that is caused due to urinary tract infection, especially in children and also in adults. So I would call sitz bath as a wonder remedy in most of the anorectal cases. I have shared many Ayurvedic home remedies in this video. I hope 1 or 2 of these remedies may suit you. You may try it at a time and then see which one really suits you and which one is more compatible to your body type. Unless and until there is an emergency, you don't really have to go for a surgery to cure your piles. So if you have piles, think of Ayurveda first. And for a personalized treatment, you can reach an Ayurvedic doctor and get your piles treated. If you have found this video informative, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.